to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar track. Oh, Blue, I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Wow, great job, Mechanicals. A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet. Whoa! A pothole! I'll get Dylan the dump truck and Eric the excavator to fill it in. Oh dear! Bobby the bus looks like he's in trouble. Nuts and bolts! He's had a crash! Let's pull him out, Tilly. Oh, don't worry, Bobby. We'll get you fixed up and back on the road. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Now to find out what's wrong, Bobby. First, we'll check your eyes. Go, Mechanicals! So there's nothing wrong with your eyes then. Let's check your wheels. No problems with your wheels either. Aha! I found the problem. You've got a bent axle. No worries. We'll soon straighten your axle. No more zigzagging for you. Your axle is as good as new. I'm glad we could set Bobby straight. It feels so good to help a friend.
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow.
Yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly, because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading the car wash so it can spray paint. OK, Mummy Truck, go! Now we just need to wait for the paint to dry. What shall we do? How about a game of hide and seek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Have you seen Baby and the Mechanicals, Mummy Truck? Where could they be? Where could they be?
Maybe I'll look over here. Ha! Found you! Now it's my turn to hide. See you next time. Bye. You can do it, Molly! Hooray! Oh, she's done it! Don't worry, Molly. We'll rescue your teddy. Come on, everyone! Oh, whoops! The teddy's on Fiona! Follow that fire truck! Fiona! Stop! Ooh, what the?
Hop it, Frog! Let me past! Wilma T. Weasel coming through! Ah, no! The light is always red!
Wait, Fiona! I need to look on your roof! Nuts and bolts! It's gone!
Oh, about time. Well, well, a new mascot to share our journeys with, Sly. Where's my camera? I want to take a photo. And maybe I'll use the teddy to clean my windows too. Yeah.
Oh, we'll keep looking, Molly. Don't worry. We would get a better view from the sky. Spinning screwdrivers! It's Molly's teddy! Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Where's it gone, Sly? It can't have just vanished.
Bye, everyone. Oh, well done, Cat. Gracias, Gecko. We're here at Cat's base for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet. Someone needs rescuing. Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch. We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko? Almost. Yes! Another happy landing. And happy birthday, Cat. Gracias, amigos. Hooray! Ah, hurrah! belt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, no. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in... Good morning, Mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? 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 Hello, everyone. We're at Cat's Base. Helena needs a new set of rotor blades.
Some music while you work.
Now we just need to attach the new rotors. Huh? There's no electricity. It must be a power cut.
Oh no! Helena can't fly! My warning system doesn't work. What will we do if there's an emergency?
Wait, everyone! I've got an idea! With these old rotors, we can build a turbine and generate power from the wind. Oh, phew. Thanks, Red. Don't let go. Once we get this turbine up in the air, the wind will spin the blades and generate clean electricity for Cat's Base. Now, Cat! Huh? Red! You can let go now!
Whoa there! You're not supposed to fly.
Ha-ha! Hooray! There you go. We work together as a team to make electricity that is so clean. Success, Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh.
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
It's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
Huh. My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something! Oh no, you clumsy clown!
my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This weasel washer's gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot. Oh, hello everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea! Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We've frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, baby truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, baby truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's garage today. Bye! Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old. What? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Now, Max!
Oh, what's all this noise about?
Great landing, Max. Those new suspension springs helped you land really softly. Guess we won't need my backup plan. Eh, Red? I just need to make a few last tweaks.
Ha! You want to be more like your brother, eh, Molly? Stay right here. I'll give your wheels far better suspension springs than Gecko. You'll see.
Almost done, Max. What's that?
That's bouncier than I expected.
Oh no! Molly is too bouncy! We've got to stop her! Quick, Red! The backup plan! Ready, Red? Now, Red! Use the backup plan! It's all right now, Molly. I know you just wanted to be like your big brother. Let's fix those springs, shall we? Go, Molly!
Gecko thinks he can make better springs than me,
Those new springs mean you'll land okay. So goodbye, Molly. You can go and play. It's time to repaint the sign, mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take Yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear! What a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, Mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new. Hello, everyone. We're just fixing Mama Recycle. But, it's getting late. You'll have to stay for a sleepover. Come on, everyone. Time to get ready for bed. Whoa! They're so excited they'll never get to sleep. But I've got an idea. Time to get all squeaky clean before we go to bed and dream. Now it's time to dry you off. I'm coming to get you! They'll never sleep like this. Wait a minute. I've got another idea. Sleepy Mechanicals, lay down your head. You've worked so hard, now it's time for a rest. Baby truck blue, red, yellow, green. It's time for bed. Good night and sweet dreams. Good night, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top. We can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah.
The car wash is working. And baby truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're just about to fit Trevor's new attachment. Green, could you please pass me? Green? Green! Green! Where are you? Oh, Green's watering her favourite tree.
Out of the way, Tiny! I'm going to build my new junk food cafe, and this tree is in my way. Move it, trash can! This tree's history. Ha!
Mr. Weasel, you can't cut down Green's favourite tree.
Why not? It's just a silly tree.
Because, apples. Aha! That gives me an idea. Trevor!
Wobbling whiskers! What are you up to?
See, Mr. Weasel? The tree's important. It grows tasty apples. You don't need a junk food cafe when you have this tree.
Oh, you think I'd rather have some silly apples than... That's delicious.
I'm proud of you, Green. You were brave and protected this tree. Well done. There you go, Eric. Your arm should be as good as new. Mechanicals, what are you doing? Oh, I see. You're looking for pirate treasure. Yaha, me hearty! What was that noise? Eric's found something. Maybe it's buried treasure. I wonder what these are. Oh, yellow. It might not be gold, but that doesn't mean it isn't treasure. Oh! Ta-da! It's an old railway handcar. But, something is missing. Ah! Wow! Eric's found the old railway. Try it now, mechanicals! See? Just because something isn't silver and gold doesn't mean it's not treasure. Go, mechanicals! Spinning screwdrivers! Who could that be?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you.
Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, Mechanicals. Go, Tilly Tow Truck!
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Ah! Not that button! Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull slide! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, slide! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry, we'll soon get you free. Go, Mechanicals! Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you.
See you again soon, everyone. Bye! Come on, Mechanicals. We have Fiona fire truck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, frog?
The name's Gecko.
Okay, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's garage. Bye! Oh, what's wrong, Green? Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals. Green?
Hola, Gecko!
Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, Mechanicals.
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too. But sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat! Go, go, Helena Helicopter!
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat! That was amazing!
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green! Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear, sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gecky, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, go, Grandma! Right, mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gecky.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite, Grandma's apple pie.
Oh, hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look, it's the twins, Barry and Terry. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals, we need to help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Ooh. Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Oh, you're nice and early, Eric. Oh. Mechanicals! Eric's eager to get his repair done. Come on, sleepyheads. You should be full of energy after charging up all night. Let's get Eric's repairs done so he can get going. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Huh? Whoa, you're right, Eric. Their charging bay was unplugged overnight. No wonder they're so run down. Come on, sleepy mechanicals. Time for a charge up. Oh, checkmate. Yay! Okay, mechanicals, you're all fully powered. So, let's get the job done. Finished, Eric. We'll see you soon back here at Gecko's garage.